Oh my gosh. I do not know what is going on. There are so many birds. Oh my gosh, they're coming!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. I do not know what is going on. There are so many birds.
Look at the tree, Mom.
Oh my goodness, that whole tree is full of birds.
Whoa. Mommy, they're hibernating. You know birds go, they go south, they go north when they hibernate.
Oh my gosh, they're coming!
Whoa!
Oh my word. What in the world is going on?
Mommy, make one go in your car.
I hope they don't come in my car.
Who said make one go in your car?
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Ah! The birds are attacking!
Well, we survived the birds. I have my little mini me here.
I have a little mini me here.
She's copying everything I do.
She's copying everything I do.
I can't get her to stop.
I can't get her to stop.
This is a retirement party for the bicycle.
Well, we are waiting for Dad to come home with
pizza!
Pizza. We love pizza. It's one of our family's favorite meals. Ah! A spider! So we're waiting for Joel to come home with pizza. And there's a spider on my head.
Spider on my head.
Woo! Oh, it's scary.
Ooh, that's scary.
So, after we eat pizza, we are going to my sister Jamie's house to have root beer float.
Root beer float.
They invited everyone for dessert, so we're super excited.
So we're super excited.
Oh no! I have two mini me's.
Oh no, I have too many bees.
Are you guys all copying me?
Are you guys all copying me? But one thing different than us. She doesn't have a loose tooth, but I do.
Yeah, I don't have a loose tooth, thank goodness. That would be weird.
I'll make you have a loose tooth.
And then there's the calm one in our family.
Oh no, he's crazy. Look how crazy he is. I'm crazy. He's crazy.
Alright.
He finally came with the pizza. Hawaiian and cheese. Who likes cheese pizza? You guys like cheese pizza? What about you, Cody?
He likes cheese pizza. I like Hawaiian.
I like Hawaiian too. It's my favorite.